Alright guys, we got her out. Okay, and this is what the bottom looks like. I see a little bit of broken gasket right there. Okay. Here's what it looks like inside. Okay. A little piece I showed you, I think is right here. I might have just stuck when I pulled it out, who knows, but we know it was leaking from the back side. And that tube that's there, this tube here, okay, to the left side, not this is free to move. I can pull this thing in and out like nothing. Okay? And I'm told there's an O-ring that should be in there that blows out. And that's exactly where it was pumping out of. So, whether I can pull that tube forward enough to take it out and replace the O-ring, I do not know. But I'm going to have to put a vice grip on it or something, long needle nose vice grip, inch it out so I don't drop it. So that's where we're at right now. That tube is absolutely loose. I mean, very loose. I can just wiggle it back and forth. It's not broken. It's not cracked. It doesn't look it anyway. Okay, but very loose. I'm going to try to put a vice grip on it and show you. So, right, sit tight a minute. Alright guys, you can see I got my little vice grip on that tube. It's not crimped down hard. I'm not damaging it. I just want to hold it so it doesn't fall down into the tranny. Now I can move that tube. Watch my vice grip here. I'm trying to get in position here. Watch my vice grip and watch the tube that's cramped to. I can move that thing like crazy, in and out. I mean, it's free. It's free to move in and out. Turn it sideways, it's sloppy as hell. Okay? So that tells me that the O-ring I've been told about, the O-ring in there has got to be broken, falling out, whatever. Because that thing is as loose can be. I'm telling you, it's doing nothing. That tube is just sitting in there doing nothing. Okay? And that is exactly where the leak was coming from. Whether I can inch it out or not and get it out, I don't know. Don't even know if I should. But, so that's where we're at right now. The gasket does look pretty crappy, but it's not totally broken in any place. Just a couple little spots. The fact that where that tube is exactly where it was pouring out the back. That's exactly where, if you go back and look at the video, I just did. So I believe the problem is with that O-ring that's missing. So that's my situation right now, guys. And I'm going to go check online, see what